And now, marine weather around Alaska.
Conditions look a little breezy here along the south coast tomorrow for northwest winds 20 to 25 knots, northwest 15 to 20 on the central coast, and then light variable wind conditions for the north coast. Lynn Canal south at 10 knots, Stevens Passage and Clarence Strait looking at a northwest breeze at 10 knots. And then for the day on Monday here for the central and north coast, light winds out of the west and southwest at 10 knots, and the south coast, west and northwesterlies at 15 knots. Lynn Canal, Glacier Bay and Stevens Passage, Lynn Canal, Glacier Bay, Stevens Passage and Clarence Strait, all south at 10 knots. And then for the day on Sunday for Prince William Sound and the North Gulf Coast as well as the Barren Islands, light variable winds at 10 knots. Cook Inlet, south to southwest winds, 10 to 15 knots. Southeast winds at 15 for the Barren Islands. And for Monday, variable winds at 10 knots for the North Gulf Coast, Prince William Sound, south at 10, southwest 15 in Cook Inlet, south 15 for the Barren Islands, and east at 15 for Kamishak Bay. Kodiak Island, southwest wind, 15 knots. The Alaska Peninsula, south to southeast winds, 15 to 20. And for the Bristol Bay area, southeast at 15. For Monday, light southeast winds for Bristol Bay and variable to south winds at 10 to 20 knots for the Alaska Peninsula. Kodiak Island, south winds 15 knots, seas 3 to 4 feet. Eastern Aleutians tomorrow, south to southwest winds 20 to 25 knots, west at 15 for Adak and Atka. And the western Aleutians from Kiska to Shemya, west winds 30 knots. And then for the day on Monday, we've got small craft advisories across much of the Aleutians. West of Adak, west-southwest winds 25 to 35 knots. Otherwise, Adak and Atka specifically, southwest at 30 knots. And for the eastern Aleutians, south to southwest winds 20 to 30 knots. And for the southwest coast, for the Yukon Delta coast, east winds 15 knots, southeast at 20 for the Kuskokwim Delta coastline. Pribilof, southeast at 15, east at 20 for St. Matthew Island. And for Norton Sound, southeast wind at about 10 knots, and southeast 15 for St. Lawrence Island. For the day Monday, light east winds 5 to 10 knots from Norton Sound across St. Lawrence Island, east to southeast 15 knots for the southwest coast. And for the Bering Sea, St. Matthew Island to St. George, southeast winds at 20. Eastern Beaufort Sea coast tomorrow, east winds 15 to 20 knots. Otherwise, northeast at 10 for the central and western coast. And the Chukchi Sea, south to southeast wind at 10 to 15. And for the day on Monday, variable winds 10 to 15 knots for the Chukchi Sea. Western Arctic coast, north at 10, north 15 for the central coast. And a little breezier on the east side there for east winds at 20 to 25 knots.